We're trying to figure out which numbers between 1 and 16 inclusive have exactly 3 different integers, and we're just worried about factors, and we're just worried about positive numbers. And they explain that 6 doesn't work because factors, the number 1 is always a factor, and the number itself is a factor. Then you've got 2 and 3, so that's got 4 factors. So you can also eliminate any prime numbers because their only factors are 1 and 7. So you can get rid of all these numbers that are prime. And then if you look at 4 is just 2, and that's just got 2 and 2. Well, you don't have to list them twice. It's a 4, 1, and 2. That's exactly 3, so that works. 5 is prime, get rid of it. 8 is 2, 8, 1, 4, so forget about it. 9, that works because that's just 3, 9, and 1. And then 10, that's not going to work because that's 5, 2, 10, and 1. 12, 1, 6, 3, 4, it's too many. 14 is 1, 14, 7, 2. 15 is 1, 15, 5, 3. And 16 is not going to work either. It's 8, 16, 1, 4, 2. It's a whole bunch of them. Now, what I would have done on the GMAT, I wouldn't have written all these numbers out like I did here. In my head, I would have said, okay, does 1 have 3 factors? No. Does 2 have 3 factors? No. Does 3 have 3 factors? No. Does 4? Yes. So I would just done each one in my head worked up to 16. So the only ones that had 3 factors were 4 and 9.